Hi Leos, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, Leos. For your general energies, career situation, and relationship, we are picking few cards today. If you like this reading and if it resonates, Leos, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. So, these are for your general energies. This is for your relationship, and this card is for your career situation. I have a pick a card reading right after this general energy. So, if you want more clarity, you can watch that reading, Leos. So, let's see what are these cards. We have Three of Water, Temptation, Hermit. So, in your circumstances today, maybe in your relationship or in your personal life, Leos, you are thinking about something, you need to make an important decision today. That may be the reason, or maybe it may be an important decision about your career or about your personal life, and you want to see a change in your life. You want to take up some path, or it may be a plan of action. So, you are working towards that, and that is the reason you are thinking about something deeply, taking your time and planning your decision or the next move. It may be true about your career, or it may be true the way you feel about this relationship, about this person. So, you are focused on something. Maybe something is worrying you, stressing you a lot. There may be some financial troubles you are facing, or it may be behavior of someone close to you. This person is quite obsessed with some habits, maybe, or they may have some illness. You are taking care of this person, and you need to be aware that it is something that is dangerous for you. If you are the person with addictions, you need to understand that this obsessive habits are not going to help you. And with this card, I can tell you, Leos, that it is something that you need to take care of today. It may be a subtle warning in your situation. So, you need to try to give up these addictions or some focus you have in your life. You are constantly thinking about something or worrying about something, or it may be these habits you are having. That is the reason for we have these cards here. So, you need to try to change the way you are, change your addictions, or change your attention and focus. And maybe you must try to understand that each and every person has good qualities and bad qualities, qualities of shadow and light within each and every one of us. And this may be the time you accept this person you love as they are. They may have some negatives, they may have obsessive habits, so it may be your energy or their energy. But if you love them truly, if you are really concerned about this person, you need to embrace them as they are. If you do that, maybe this person will change, or maybe your positive attitude, your positive vibration will change this person, will bring out the best behavior or best qualities in them. So that is what I see with these cards for you all today. Let's see what is the card for your relationship. It's Ace of Fire. So with this card in your career, or in your, sorry guys, this is the card for your relationship. There is no need to fear this relationship, because there is a big change coming over in this love, and your dreams are coming into reality, Leos. Your big dreams are coming true today in this love. Maybe this person is changing definitely because of that acceptance you have towards them. Your positive attitude, that love and kindness you shower on this person is changing them, and this may be their energy or your energy towards your love. So your dreams and plans for this love is coming true. That is what I see with these cards. Let us see what is the card for your career. Sun, such a beautiful card. It just means that in this career circumstances, in your career circumstances, you will see a lot of opportunities, offers. All the difficulties you faced are going to change. So no more difficulties, no more delays or suspensions. Everything is falling into place for you all today. So that is the energy with these cards. That is the reading for you all today. Thank you for watching. If you like this reading and if it resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. Stay tuned for the pick a card that is coming right now, Leos. For your love reading, guys, we have two cards here. This is your first card and this is your second card. You can think about your circumstances, close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds, open your eyes and choose the card that comes to you first. That way the reading may resonate. I will start the reading with the first card after a few seconds of silence. Okay guys, so now let's start the reading with the first card. I will keep the second card aside. For those who chose this card, the first card, we have Tambulina, expectations. So in your circumstances, there are people who may not know your worth. They may not understand your true qualities, but you may feel that they are not really friendly with you and maybe even rejecting you. But you should not lose heart, you should not lose hope, and you should not lose people who really care for you along the way when you feel stressed or when you feel a little low. or sad because there are people ridiculing you or rejecting you for being different. So each and every one of us are unique, and you will find the people who love you for your uniqueness, who will understand you, and you will find people like you who will love you as you are. And you need to face the challenges in your life with an open mind as an opportunity to learn something, to opportunity to learn a lesson. And maybe people will not value you if they do not know anything about you. So this may be the time for you to find people who appreciate you for what you are, finding your soul family, people who are loving you and caring for you deeply, truthfully. And this card speaks about that friendship and that kind of relationship. And you should not lose hope, and you should not feel rejected or sad for what is happening today, because there is no one like you, and you are a unique person, and you will find the love you need and you expected. That is the energy with this card. So let us see what is the second card. For those who chose this second card, it's hematite. It's a crystal spirits card. With this crystal, the energy is that in your circumstances, maybe you are taking someone for granted, maybe a friend or a family member, and we are always thinking of the negative aspects in our life, maybe some problems or some dangers, and we often forget the wonderful qualities our friends or family members have, and we tend to take them for granted. And maybe today it is time for you to express your love, express that your gratitude towards those people, maybe friends or your partner, showing them your love and kindness and showing your happiness for their presence in your life, because relationships are the strong rock on which we can rely on during difficult times. So these people are the foundation that support us, and we should not forget them. We should nourish these relationships. So this crystal spirit just asks us to express our love and kindness, maybe saying a thank you to our neighbor and doing some things to our friends, whatever they love, just to show our gratitude for their help and for them being with us in this life. And this crystal spirit just asks us to express our love and appreciation to people who are close to us in our life. So that is the energy here with this crystal spirit card. That is the reading for you all today. Thank you for watching. If you like this reading and if it resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. Thank you guys. I will see you tomorrow. Bye guys.